Good morning class. I am Lakshman Singh again with you with the remaining part of volume and surface area of cone. So let us see some more questions based on cones. Exercise 21B, question number 13. A right circular cone is 3.6 centimeter high and the radius of its base is 1.6 centimeter. It is melted and recast in to a right circular cone with radius of its base 1.2 centimeter. Find its height. So, one cone is given and we have recasted another cone after melting the given original cone. In this case, volume of original cone and volume of recasted cone will remain same. So, volume of original cone 1 by 3 pi r1 square h1 equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is volume of recasted cone. So we can see 1 by 3 pi and 1 by 3 pi both side cancelled. That gets cancelled. Same thing both side. So it gets cancelled. So we can see that 1 by 3 pi and 1 by 3 pi cancelled. So r1 square h1 equal to r square h. r1 radius of given cone is 1.6. So its square, that is 1.6 into 1.6. Height was given 3.6 centimeter. Radius of recasted cone is given 1.2 and 1.2 centimeter. So r square, that will be 1.2 into 1.2 into height that we have to find. So height is equal to 1.6 into 1.6 into 3.6 and divided by 1.2 into 1.2. So we do all the calculations. Here h will be 6.4 centimeter will be our required answer. A solid metallic cylinder of base radius 3 centimeter and height 5 centimeter is melted to form cones each of height 1 centimeter and base radius 1 mm. Find the number of cones. Cylinder is melted and cones are made. So, total volume of cylinder will be equal to the volume of all the cones. It means number of cones will be volume of cylinder upon volume of one cone. So, volume of cylinder will be pi r square, radius given 3 square into h given 5, height of cylinder. Then volume of one cone 1 by 3 pi as it is. Radius given 1 mm means 1 by 10 centimeter. So we have put here 1 upon 10, it's a square, and height is 1 centimeter. So pi and pi both cancel. 3 goes up in numerator. So we get 3 into 3 square, that is 3 into 3 multiplied by 5. This 1 upon 10 square. So this 10 will go up. So 10 into 10 square. So on multiplication we get number of cones equal to 13,500. 13,500 cones. Let us take one extra question. From a circular cylinder of diameter 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter, a conical cavity of same base radius and of the same height is hollowed out. Find the volume of remaining solid. Leave your answer in terms of pi. So we can see that here one cylinder given whose diameter is 14 centimeter So we have taken its radius 7 centimeter. Radius equal to half of the diameter, 7 centimeter. Height is given 20 centimeter. So volume of remaining solid will be volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So let us see. Volume of cylinder pi, radius of cylinder 7 square, height of cylinder is 20. Then minus volume of cone, so 1 by 3 pi, and radius is 7 square into 20, height is 20. So we can see that pi into 7 square into 20 is common, taken out. So what is left? 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. We have not to put the value of pi here because asking the answer in terms of pi. So we get total multiplication of the numerators. So we get 1960 pi upon 3 centimeter cube. That will be our required answer. Let us take question number 20. A cone of maximum volume is carved out of a block of wood of size 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Find the volume of cone carved out. So let us see. Radius of cone, see here in the figure first. So this is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and this is height is 20 centimeter. So if we take this base on 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter side, then a remaining portion will be left here like this. So we will not take because we have to find the maximum volume. So maximum volume will be covered with the base 10 by 10. So whole of the part, whole this base can be covered. So now here in this case radius will be 5 centimeter because base is, here we can see 10 centimeter, this will be diameter, so its half will be radius equal to 5 centimeter. Height of cone will be 20 centimeter. So volume equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we have to take here pi equal to 3.14. In this question it is not written. We have to take pi equal to 3.14. So taken v equal to 1 by 3 pi 3.14 r square 5 into 5 and h is 20. So on solving this we get 523.3 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone carved out.